Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, The GATE Vidya. My name is Chandra Shekar. I have completed my BTech in 2017. So I have prepared for GATE in EC stream in the final year itself without any coaching. So I have secured a GATE rank of 209 in the 2017 year. Okay. So currently now I am pursuing masters in IIT Bombay in the microelectronics and VLSI design. So many people cannot afford the GATE coaching, so now I am going to start a YouTube channel, the GATE Vidya, which provides you the free lectures for EC stream. Okay, so please follow all these videos and tell your friends also to follow these videos. Please like and share our videos, and you can comment in the comment section if you have any doubts regarding the subject. Okay, so if you want any clarifications regarding the any topic, then also you can comment in the comment section. And you can comment in the blog also, the GATE Vidya blog. So the blog will be given in the description. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. So the videos will be uploaded on daily basis. So every day I will be uploading videos. So please follow all these videos continuously and practice the problems. Okay. So the assignments will also be provided for you after completion of each and every topic. So these assignments will be posted on the blog. So the assignment solution will also be provided after the completion of each and every subject. Okay. So the subject and the concepts, problems and problem solving techniques and GATE previous year problems will be discussed in this course. Okay. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and all the best for your GATE preparation 2020. So this YouTube channel mainly focuses on the target year GATE 2020. Okay. So thank you. All the best for your preparation.